back to my channel. And there's a lot of noise going on because there's people messing around in their yard. We're gonna give this thing a makeover. I'm not gonna record the whole process. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do, and then as I go I'll stop and record and show you guys, just because I was feeling lazy and I didn't want to prop up the tripod. Anyways, so I am gonna remove all the soil out of here. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of styrofoam, not too much, because I'm putting a few plants in there, but I don't think they need that much soil. So it's going to have just a little bit of styrofoam and the rest is going to be soil. I'm going to be mixing up my soil with the new Turface that I'm going to be using. It's Turface Athletic. I read on blogs that people use this for their cactuses, so I'm just going to try it out and see how it works. I'm not recommending it as of yet because it'll be my first time using it. So let me clean this out and then I will get back to you. All I'm going to do is just take all this soil that's been in here for a few years out. And it's a lot of soil. I might need another bucket. Guys, I'll be empty that out. That pot is a pretty big pot. To fill it, and not even all the way, it wasn't filled all the way. It took 2 buckets. So that's what was in there. Obviously I'm going to try to use half of that because that's just too much soil waiting for it to dry. And then obviously this is going to be exposed to the elements. And when the rainy season comes, I can't move this huge pot, so I need it to, you know, keep it together. So I'm going to put some styrofoam. This looks like. Actually, now when I'm touching it, it does look familiar on YouTube videos that I've seen. So yeah, pretty excited to use this. I hope it does really work out well. Okay guys, so the soil, the cactus soil is in there, and the Turface, as you can see it, I put a decent amount just because I want these plants to make it. And like I said before, this will be here when the rainy season comes. I won't be able to move this. And I will be putting a cactus in here. So we'll see how it does. Oh, and I didn't paint the pot because I like the distressed look. And that's it. Okay guys, I got the beautiful hedgehog in there. I need a container without a drainage, and that will be a surprise at the end. I'll tell you what I'm doing with that. And now, come on over here. Okay, so I'm gonna see how I take this cactus and place it in there without hurting myself. For now, I'm squeezing it. And then I'm just gonna shake it out like this. I'm just taking off the excess soil and loosening up the roots gently without hurting myself. I like that one. This is a golden barrel. They get really big. I you like
the shape.
Depending on their what do you call it? They get big if you put them on the ground, or depending on the size of the container. Okay, I think that's pretty good. And now I think I'm gonna try to place it in there. I don't even think I have to touch the top. Okay, how it's coming along. I really like it. Kayla, do you like it?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. And
like
as you know, as you know, I like doing it in odd numbers. And for now, these are the only plants I thought about putting in there. In the future, if I think of more, then I will. But for now, this is gonna work. So now for the fun part, and I'm gonna show you the reveal. And you guys, I think you're gonna love it. So here's the end result. So as you can see, it looks like the water is going into the whole container, but it is not. The water is falling in that red bucket that you guys saw. And obviously this little water fountain has its own little pump there. You can control the height of the water. So that's what I did, and obviously the rocks are covering the pump. The other day when I was looking at the pot, and I was thinking I need to do something with it. I quickly thought about my golden barrel that I had, and I knew I needed to get something else. I originally was gonna get an aloe, just a regular aloe, but I did like the blue elf aloe that I have, so I was hoping to find that, but I found this beautiful hedgehog aloe, which is worked out perfectly. I also wanted to be able to put fire sticks in here, but the problem is this area does not get enough sun to keep the fire sticks red, because that's the color that I wanted. So, but it just turned out perfect. It wouldn't fit. I think 3 plants fit here perfectly. I mean, in the future, if I wanted to, I could put maybe some little rosettes, but to be honest, I really like the way it looks. Came out really nice. The goal in the future is to figure out plants that I can put here as well that will do well. Eventually, I would like to remove all this and just put, you know, succulents that will do okay. So in the summer, this will get some strong sun. So it has to be a plant that will do okay in sun, but also do well in bright light. So that's fire sticks, but fire sticks get a little bit out of control. I would have to constantly be pruning them, so I'm thinking about that. I don't know, I would like to eventually do a tapestry here that I will know will do well. And obviously I would put a lot of that turfus in there with cactus soil, because like I said, we do get a lot of rain here. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys. You guys have a blessed day.